Yun, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Siguro iisipin nyo itong The Boy Who Cried Wolf. It's
18? What is this outfit? Easy filming something.
connected to one of Aesop's fables. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi talaga siya connected. Kumuha ko ng sariling story.
Why I'm feeling like he is filming something and it is of The Boy Who Cried Wolf envy
Yeah,
shooting.
yan, The Boy Who Cried Wolf.
It.
Based dun sa lore na gusto kong ipakita or sa story ako as a person or sa awit na gusto kong ipadinig sa inyo. Yung kwento nito, parang it's a conversation between a boy and a wolf. Yung wolf dito sa storya, nag-start siya na kumakanta na parang nakwento niya na walang nakikinig sa kanya na parang he feels so alone kasi kahit anong gawin niya, parang mali agad yung nakikita sa
I was waiting for this song behind this story. I mean, what was the story behind making this song and writing this song?
kanya ng mga tao. Even though people don't know his intentions, people don't know him, parang merong agad judgment. And dahil doon, parang nagagalit siya sa mundo, hindi niya na alam gagawin, hindi niya alam kung paano siya kikilos. And doon naman papasok yung boy. Merong part doon na, sabi ko naman sa'yo, yun, parang kinakausap niya yung wolf doon na parang no matter what happens, even though no one's listening to you, even though you feel so alone, nararamdaman ko yung nararamdaman mo. I feel empathic. Parang hindi ka nag-iisa sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Nandito ako para tulungan ka at makinig sa'yo. Ang pinaka-twist or ang pinaka-kwento, if you know the
You know what? He is not wearing that for no reason. He is wearing for some reason for sure. And I think The Boy Who Cried Wolf envy is coming soon.
lore of my songs, if you know what I'm really trying to say from the very beginning. Iisa lang kasing entity si Boy and Wolf. So, doon nagkakaroon ng emotional turmoil pagdating sa paano niya lulutasin yung problema niya kung merong dalawang katauhan sa loob niya. So, yun talaga yung medyo mahirap na part na galit ka sa mundo, you feel sad, and at the same time, you want to do good. Siguro, ayaw mong magkalat ng negative